Your Toyota may already know your garage ceiling height. Watch this. Stop the RAV4 power liftgate halfway. Hold the close button until it beeps 4 times, and from now on it opens only to that height. Most owners never touch this setting, and it can literally save your liftgate from scraping concrete. And that's only the first one. We're also unlocking Toyota's hidden cruise control mode, the hybrid battery trick for RAV4 Prime, the safety setting almost nobody adjusts, and the Tacoma off-road mode that drives with no pedals. This is not TikTok button mashing. Every trick here comes from Toyota owner manuals, quick reference guides, or credible enthusiast documentation, and everyone has a real use case. On 2023 Toyota RAV4 and RAV4 hybrid models with the height-adjustable power liftgate, Toyota gives you a built-in opening limiter. Many 5th-generation RAV4 have a similar feature, but check your trim, because it depends on the power backdoor package. Here's how you use it. Open the liftgate, stop it at the height you want, then press and hold the liftgate close button on the door jamb until the buzzer sounds 4 times. Toyota also lets you set it through the multi-information display by going into Vehicle Settings, then PBD, then Opening Adjustment, where you get 5 height positions. Why it exists is simple. Toyota knows SUVs live in garages, apartment ramps, and tight parking structures. The power liftgate motor needs a repeatable stop point so the door does not hit a ceiling, bike rack, or low cargo box. Some Toyota owners can press and hold the unlock button on the key fob and drop the windows before they ever open the door. On RAV4, Toyota documentation says power windows and the moonroof can be operated by the wireless remote only when those settings are customized by a Toyota dealer, so do not assume it works on every car from the factory. The safest way to check is simple. Stand next to the vehicle. Make sure nothing can get trapped in a window, press unlock once, then press and hold unlock. If nothing happens, ask the dealer whether wireless remote power window open is available for your VIN. Toyota hides this behind customization because remote glass movement has safety and theft implications. In plain language, it is great for dumping hot air before you get in. Technically, the body ECU has to allow remote-linked window operation. Real-world win. Your black Camry or RAV4 sits in July sun, and you vent the cabin before touching the seat belt buckle. As side note, this is one of those options that may be controlled through Techstream-style dealer customization rather than a normal owner menu. This next one only works if your Toyota has the right safety sense generation, and it changes how early the car warns you before a possible collision. On 2023 RAV4 and RAV4 hybrid with Toyota Safety Sense 2.5, the pre-collision system warning timing can be changed between far, middle, and near. To access it, use the steering wheel MID controls, go to the settings screen, select PCS, press and hold OK. Then choose sensitivity and cycle the timing. In plain language, this changes how early the car yells at you. If you commute in dense city traffic and the alerts feel jumpy, near may reduce nuisance warnings. If you drive fast rural roads, far gives more time before the situation gets ugly. Toyota includes this because radar and camera systems must balance false alerts against reaction time. The same driver assist logic cannot feel perfect in downtown traffic, mountain roads, and rain. Real-world scenario. You lend your Corolla or RAV4 to a new driver and set PCS to far so the warning comes earlier. As side note, PCS uses the forward camera and radar sensor together, so dirty windshields, blocked emblems, heavy rain, or sun glare can change behavior. Most owners think Toyota Dynamic Radar Cruise Control is always adaptive. It is not. On 2023 RAV4 and RAV4 hybrid, and similarly on other Toyota models with DRCC, you can press the cruise button normally to use radar following distance, or press and hold the cruise control main switch for at least 1.5 seconds to enter constant speed cruise mode. Why does this matter? Adaptive cruise is excellent on highways, but in bad weather, blocked sensors, construction zones, or empty rural roads, some drivers prefer old-school cruise that simply holds speed. Toyota still defaults back to DRCC after the vehicle is turned off, so this is not a permanent disable. The proof is in Toyota's own guide. DRCC can maintain distance to a vehicle ahead, and Toyota documents a separate constant speed mode activated by holding the switch. On RAV4 Prime, Toyota also describes radar detection out to approximately 328 feet, with following distance changing by speed. On 2023 RAV4 and RAV4 hybrid with lane tracing assist, lane centering is tied to full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control. That means it helps steer only when DRCC is operating. And Toyota specifically says lane centering does not operate when full-speed DRCC is not operating. To configure it, use the MID controls, go into Settings, select LTA, press and hold OK. Then choose Lane Center and switch it on or off. Plain English, lane departure alert can warn or nudge you near a line, while lane centering tries to help keep you centered during radar cruise. Toyota separates them because one is a lane departure backup and the other is a continuous assist feature. On 2023 RAV4 Prime, the EV/HV button is not just a gimmick. Toyota says EV mode uses electricity stored in the traction battery, while HV mode runs the vehicle using both the gasoline engine and electric motor. The key trick is this. Toyota specifically recommends switching to HV mode on highways or uphill driving to conserve battery power for later EV driving. Here is the plain language version. Electric driving is most valuable at low speeds, in neighborhoods, stop-and-go traffic, garages, and city centers. At highway speed or climbing grades, the engine may be the better tool. So if you have 30 miles of battery and 20 miles of highway before downtown, do not burn the battery on the highway first. Press EV/HV and save electric range for the slow part. Auto EV/HV goes one step further. It normally uses electric drive, but starts the gas engine when more power is needed, like sudden acceleration or climbing. On 2023 RAV4 Hybrid, Trail Mode is there to help on bumpy roads by coordinating AWD, brake control, and drive force control. It is not for rock crawling like a Land Cruiser, and Toyota is clear that it has limitations, but it can make a real difference when one will start slipping on a loose surface. To use it, press the Trail Mode switch while you are on the rough or slippery section. Then let the system manage torque and braking more aggressively than normal drive mode. If one tire loses grip, Trail Mode helps route usable drive force and control spin. Technically, Toyota is blending AWD behavior with brake-based traction control and drive force mapping. On 2023 RAV4, RAV4 Hybrid, and RAV4 Prime, the tire pressure warning system can be initialized through the multi-information display. After setting the tires to the door jamb pressure, go into the MID settings screen, select Vehicle Settings, press and hold OK. Select TPWS, then select Set Pressure or Setting Pressure and press and hold OK. Toyota says the message appears and the warning light blinks 3 times. You are teaching the car. These pressures are the new normal. This matters after tire rotation, seasonal pressure changes, wheel swaps, or correcting an underinflated tire. Do not use this to hide a leak. Set the correct pressure first, then initialize. On 2024 Toyota Tacoma and Tacoma hybrid models equipped with Crawl Control, Toyota gives you a fixed low-speed off-road system that works without pressing the accelerator or brake. The documented sequence is specific. The vehicle must be on, the driver's door closed, the shift lever not in park or neutral, and the 4-wheel drive control in 4L. Then press the DAC/crawl switch and turn the mode selector to choose the crawl setting. Smooth pedal control off-road is hard. Human feet bounce. Crawl control uses brake and throttle logic to reduce wheel slip and keep the truck stable over rocks, ruts, or descents. Toyota also pairs this world with multi-terrain select on equipped 2024 Tacoma models. Press MTS, turn the selector, and choose terrain like sand, rock, mud, dirt, or deep snow depending on 4L or 4H availability. On 2023 RAV4 Prime and 2024 Tacoma models with electronic parking brake and brake hold, Toyota gives you 2 separate tricks. Auto EPB can set the parking brake automatically when you shift into park, or on manual Tacoma when the engine is turned off, depending on configuration. To turn automatic mode on, stop the vehicle, pull and hold the parking brake switch until the MID confirms the EPB shift interlock function is activated. Brake hold is the city driving trick. Press the hold button when conditions are right, stop with the brake pedal, and the vehicle keeps brake pressure applied after you stop. Press the accelerator and it releases smoothly. Plain language, your foot gets a brake in traffic. Technically, Toyota is holding hydraulic brake pressure through the brake control system until drive force is requested. On 2024 Tacoma models with the manual transmission, Toyota places an IMD switch in the center console area. IMD means Intelligent Manual Transmission. The official Quick Reference Guide identifies the IME switch, and enthusiast documentation based on the Toyota owner manual describes IME as engine speed control that helps match revs to clutch and shift lever operation for smoother shifts. Press IMD, watch the green indicator, and the truck helps smooth gear changes by managing engine RPM. It does not shift for you. It does not save you from every bad gear choice. It just reduces shift shock, especially on downshifts, hills, and winding roads. On equipped non-hybrid Tacoma manuals, Toyota also documents a clutch start-cancel switch. Press it for 1.5 seconds with the engine switch on and brake pedal pressed, and the truck can crank with the clutch engaged for difficult situations, not normal daily starts. So here are the 3 to remember. The Liftgate height memory can save your RAV4 from garage damage, and it takes seconds to set. The hidden cruise control hold gives you old-school constant speed cruise when radar following is not what you want. And the RAV4 Prime EV trick can save electric range for the part of the trip where EV driving actually matters. Before you try any of these, check your exact owner manual, because Toyota changes menus by model year, market, trim, and firmware. But if your vehicle has the feature, use it. Toyota hides a lot of capability in plain sight.